Alright, next we have the bird dog. We're going to be on all fours. Notice how she has her knees under her hips here, and then her arms over her shoulders. What we're going to try to do is create a nice flat plane. So what we can do to first start out, just to get the motion down, is going to be the left arm out for me, straight out. Notice how she keeps this nice and straight in the same plane. We don't want to see no rotation of the shoulders or anything like this. So do the right arm for me, nice and straight. Okay. Now what we'll do is we can go from the legs. So now we'll go the left leg straight back, scoop back, right there. We want to make sure this is on the same plane. We don't want this to come up too high, because then we'll get the rotation of the hip, which we don't want to see. Drop that right back down. Good. Relax. Other side. Scoop back. Notice how she scoops back, keeps everything straight. Good. Good. Once you're good with this, you can progress to right leg back and left arm out. So you get that nice, good straight, making sure she stays straight, working on this good core straight here. Good. Go ahead and relax. Do the other side for me one time. Good. And go ahead and relax. And there you go.